Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from and the time that you're watching this video. So in this presentation, we want to look at the Zimbabwe School Examinations Council, GCE, Advanced Level, which is Pure Mathematics Paper 1, November 2024 session. Now, I must mention that while this exam was for advanced level pure mathematics, the content that I'm going to present is also beneficial for all level, in my view. All level students, those that are doing the ECZ, you can also benefit. Okay, it's your content as well. In Zimbabwe, it's purely pure maths, but these concepts are covered in ordinary mathematics in Zambia. So if you are in Zimbabwe, it's beneficial. If you're in Zambia or indeed anywhere else in the world. Okay, good. So let's go to the questions. The first question is simplify the index expression here. Now, this one, there is a video already. The video was produced already in the comment section. So I'll put a link in the comment section. Just click on it. You should be able to watch that video. And please subscribe to that channel to phiri-JM. Okay, that's where that video is our channel as well. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, let's look at the questions. Okay, these are our questions. So I'll do question 2 and question 3 in this presentation. So a geometrical progression has the first term as in A, where A is not 0. Otherwise, you not have a progression, all right? And a common ratio R, and this R lies between 0 and 1. So it is less than 0, but greater than 1, okay? Then the sum to infinity of the progression is double the sum of the first 8 terms, all right? So here there are things that you must look at. Sum to infinity. Okay, what is its formula? Sn is equal to A over 1 minus C R. That is the S infinity, sum to infinity. Okay? Also, we are saying the sum to infinity of the progression is double the sum of the first 8 terms. So sum of the first 8 terms will be given by A, open bracket, 1 minus R to the power N divided by 1 minus C R, 1 minus R. Why have we used this formula? Because our R here is less than 1 because of this range. Okay? If our R was greater than 1, we would have said Sn is equal to A, open bracket, 1 R to the power N minus 1 over R minus C, 1. Okay. Then, they are also talking about the ninth term is 20. Now, the general formula for a GP is that AR to the power N minus C, 1. This is the general formula. But they are saying this should be equal to what? 20, provided you have got T9, which is equal to AR 9 minus 1 is equal to 20. implying therefore that you have got AR to the power 8 is equal to 20. These three formulas will be very helpful in dealing with these two questions. Okay? So, we proceed. So, this is question 2. A, we've said that S infinity is equal to A divided by 1 minus C, R. Number 2, we've said also that Sn will be given by A 1 minus R to the power N divided by 1 minus C, 1 minus C R. Then also, Tn is equal to ARN minus C1. Then we have agreed that we'll use AR to the power 8 is equal to 20. Good. Now, what are we saying? We are saying the sum to infinity is equal to double the sum of the first 8 terms. So what is our sum to infinity? A divided by 1 minus R. This is equal to 2 times sum of the first 8 terms. Meaning that for us to talk about sum of the first 8 terms, we are going to have Sn is equal to A, open bracket, 1 minus R to the power 8 over 1 minus R. Okay? So, so we are saying now, our sum to infinity is this one. A divided by 1 minus R is equal to this now. 2 times double of this 1 minus R to the power 8 divided by 1 minus R. So you can see that the denominators are the same, so you equate the numerator. So we have 2A, open bracket, 1 minus R to the power 8 being equal to A. We divide throughout by 2A by 2A. This will imply that 1 minus R to the power 8 is equal to 1 over 2. All right, sorry for that. So upon rearranging terms, we'll have that negative R to the power 8 is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1. This further implies that that is negative R to the power 8 is equal to negative half when you subtract. So what does this mean? When you multiply both sides by negative, we have R to the power 8 is equal to half. But now, if you look at the question, we want the value of this R to the power 4. So this will imply that R to the power 8 is the same as R to the power 4 times 2. This is equal to 1 over 2. What does it mean? We multiply both sides by power half. So R to the power 4, 2 times 1 over 2. Here it's 1 over 2 to the power 1 times 1 over 2. This implies that r to the power 4 is equal to 1 over 2 power 1 over 2. This is what we have. But now, we can simplify that. So this further implies that r to the power 4 is equal to the square root. Our half here, 2 means the square root. So we get the square root of 1 over 2, which is the same as the square root of 1 divided by square root of 2. This is 1 divided by the square root of 2. That is your solution. But we can get rid of the root down here. So we have 1 over the root of 2 times root of 2 equal here root of 2, because this will give us 1. So we have root of 2 divided by 2 itself. This is the value of, therefore, r to the power 4 is equal to root of 2 divided by 2. This is your solution. Let's go to part B. The exact value of A. We can use this because we know what r to the power 4 is. Okay? So, B, using A r to the power 8 is equal to 20. Okay? We have a r to the power 4 times 2 is equal to 20. But r to the power 4 is equal to root of 2 divided by 2. Therefore, A, where there is r to the power 4, is the same as root of 2 divided by 2. And then there's power 2 here. Okay, and that this is equal to 20. This implies that A, open bracket, root of 2 divided by root of 2 times root of 2 divided by 2 rather, and that this is equal to 20. Okay, so we have A, open bracket, root of 2 times root of 2, it's 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. This is equal to 20. What does it imply? We have A, open bracket. You can reduce this by 2. So I've got 1 over 2 is equal to 20. Now, we can multiply both sides by 2. So I multiply here by 2 and here by 2. So this 2 and this one will cancel. Therefore, A is 40. This is your solution for this one. Okay, let's look at B, but question 3. This is the ordinary maths, in my view. If it is ECZ comes in paper 1, variations. This is only variations. Okay. Okay, maybe I can do it from here. Okay, so let's look at the question. Y varies. So from here, we can put a statement. Y varies jointly as the square root of x. So square root of x. And inversely, we can connect it by multiplication as a cube of z. 1 divided by x to the power 3. That is a cube of z. Now, y is 16, x 9, z is the 1 over 2. Express y in terms of x and z. So here, in our expression, we should have these three variables, all right? So the first thing that we need to do is to express it as an equation. So we're going to say y is equal to k root of x divided by z to the power 3. This further implies that what is our y? Y is 16, k, the root of what? 9. Divided by what is our z? Z is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 to the power 3. So 16 is equal to, the root of 9 is plus or minus 3, but I can just skip this. Then 1 over 2 to the power 3, it means 1 over 2 by 1 over 2 by 1 over 2, which is 1 over 8. So what does it mean? We have 16 over 1 is equal to 3k. If you want, you can say divided by 1 over 8. Just to make it easy for people to follow, is equal to 3k times 8 over 1. Okay? So, in other words, I can just skip now this times 8. We divide by 3 times 8 here, 3 by 8. What does it mean? K is equal to 16 over 3 by 8. Therefore, K is equal to 8 here 1, 8 there is 2. So K is 2 over 3. Okay. 2 over 3. Meaning that y now will be equal to this K. What is K? K is 2 over 3. So it is K times root of x divided by z to the power 3. Now, what is K? K is 2 over 3 times root of x over z cubed. Therefore, y will be equal to 2 root of x divided by 3 z to the power 3. This is our solution. Now find the value of z, okay, when y is 2.5 and x is 900. Okay, so we are going to have 2.5 using this equation that we have formed now. Using this, 2.5 is equal to 2. Here we'll say 900. 900, not 9,000. Okay, we divide this by 3, z to the power 3. So we have 2.5. That is equal to 2, the root of 300, 900 rather, it is 30. You multiply this by 3, z to the power 3. So if you want here, you can divide 3 here, 1, 3 there, it is 10. Okay? So we have got 2.5 is equal to 2 times 10 divided by z to the power 3. Over 1, you cross multiply. So you have got z to the power 3 times 2.5 is equal to 2 times 10. Okay. So we divide this by 2.5, 2.5. Z to the power 3 is equal to 2.5 into 2.51, 2.5 into 4, into 10, that is 4. So 2 by 4, that's 8. Okay? So now, we want the cube root of z, the cube root of 8. So z will be equal to the cube root of 8. Therefore, z is equal to 2. The cube root of 8 is 2. That's it. That's why I was saying basically this content, as much as it falls under pure maths, it is the A level. It is the ordinary mathematics. It is ordinary mathematics. So those that are doing the ECZ can benefit. Please join our online lessons. Online lessons for the GCE exams. Want to contact us 0978 56 58 76. 0979 67 38 09. Till next time, bye bye and God bless. Subscribe and share.